5 Ultimate Guide to Making Her Long for You. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we will teach you the secret of how to create that feeling where someone can't stop thinking about you. I mean, that special connection that lingers even when you're apart. But here's the thing. Forcing someone to miss you isn't the answer. Instead, let's focus on building genuine intrigue. We'll talk about how to be the kind of person who's naturally captivating, someone who leaves a positive and lasting impression. So, buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets to building magnetic connections that go way beyond just missing you. Let's dive in. 1. Shift the focus. Instead of focusing on making her miss you, focus on making yourself interesting and well-rounded. Pursue hobbies, interests, and friendships that light you up. When you're passionate about life, it becomes magnetic. 2. Be a good listener. When you do interact, show genuine interest in her life. 3. Leave a positive memories. When you do interact, create positive and memorable experiences. This makes her look forward to future interactions. 4. Respect her boundaries. Give her space. If she's not interested, don't bombard her with messages. Respect her space and let her come to you. This shows confidence and self-worth. 5. Be unpredictable, not unavailable. Don't be glued to your phone. Have plans and a life outside her. Moving on. If she's not reciprocating interest, it's important to acknowledge it and move on. Spend your energy on people who appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly like this video and subscribe for more interesting contents.